of my videos here. My name is Paul and Previews Vlogs. Here to talk about the GoPro Karma. Now, my last channel, I did an unboxing of it. Kind of just opened it all up, see what was in this kit that came in. So today I've actually been working with this for about a week now. We're kind of messing around with it with the GoPro as what I'm recording right now, and also with the drone. I've taken a few aerial shots, a few pictures here and there, and flown the drone. And actually here to just kind of let you guys know how I feel about the drone. So overall, the drone's a pretty good quality. It's pretty good built. It's pretty big actually. You can compact it down, bring the wings down to its sides, and it gets a little bit compact, and it's got a big carrying case, which I don't have here, but I will get to show you guys. And actually you saw it on my unboxing in the previous video. The good thing about the drone is that it comes with the GoPro Karma, or the GoPro Hero 6, I'm sorry. It comes with the GoPro Hero 6 already. It also comes with its own gimbal. Or GoPro calls this basically the Karma Grip. That piece comes right out of the actual GoPro drone, the Karma, inserts right into the gimbal. Now, I've used the gimbal maybe once or twice. Never been a big person to use a gimbal. Goes in, locks in place. Now it won't come out. You take the GoPro and you pop it right in here. Again, the GoPro could be moved to anything, as well as the gimbal on the backpack. You could actually put the gimbal on to the backpack, and as you're walking, it will actually record anything that you see in your view. As for the gimbal, like I said, I've used it once or twice. It is a pretty good, it does stabilize pretty good. Again, if you move the camera, you can see how actually it stabilizes. It's a pretty good thing depending if you're using for a selfie or what you're using it for. But if you wanted to, on the gimbal, back to this, you can switch from one mode to the other. So you can switch from having it say recording video to photo to burst, of course, to time lapse, and to just shooting back a video. And this is all done with the controls right in here. This is your controls for mode, power, and mode. This right here will tag your photo, locks in the position, and of course this shows you the battery and your power off button, and also the button that if you are shooting a picture, I'll try to give you a good view of it right there. Let's get into photo mode. If you wanted to take a picture of something, it will take the picture of whatever it is you're taking, and that's with that button. All right, so that was a few shots with the gimbal, a couple quick video with the gimbal, and a kind of quick review on how that works. As for the actual drone, like I said, it's good. I'm gonna actually put up a quick video of how I flew the drone, and yesterday and today, actually, I have a few shots of the drone on there. But other than that, I mean, like I said, when I did the unboxing, it comes with this nice screen right here. This turns on, you got your battery LEDs right there. Same thing with the drone. When the drone turns on, you have LEDs that the drone uses on its own. I'll show you that real quick here. And you can see those LEDs there. The drone itself has battery. You can actually push this button right here, and it'll tell you how much battery life is left on the drone just by pushing that right there, which I got two little dots of battery. I guess that's almost half empty there. This itself is pretty much, it's kind of bulky, but it's a good control. And again, it does control the drone pretty well. Great screen. And then of course you control everything from here. You have this right here is for panning the actual pictures on it. We have the mode, again, to select which mode we're using, camera, video, if you're gonna do a burst or however you're gonna do it, and of course your capture button. We have a start and stop, so this starts it and stops, and this here, of course, is for returning to landing. It'll return to you or return to the place it landed from. Okay, let me turn these lights off. It kind of give me too much light out here. Other than that, I mean, it's a good package. Everything it comes with, um, everything is simple to assemble. Very easy to assemble. Very easy to work. Thinking in the market of a GoPro, spending the extra $450 for the drone and this, if it's something that you're looking to do, it'll be a great investment. I'm happier for it, and I have shot some videos. Maybe about a day or two, I shot a video with the GoPro in my car, mounted on the windshield mount, which is the only thing that it records upside down. But if you're editing the video, you can't turn it back right side up and then actually get it properly looked at, and it shoots a great video. Some of the photos I'm not happy with. The iPhone 10 shoots a little bit better quality photos. It just depends. Low light, the GoPro Karma 6 it doesn't perform too well in a low light. Other than that, like I said, everything else, just the packaging, just the way it works. For me being a first-time user with a GoPro and also being a first-time user with a drone, I'm happy with it. And again, it's easy to work with, easy to assemble. Even my son can actually guide the drone itself with these joysticks. This is like a controller. If you play video games, you'll be able to use this controller. Well, thanks again for watching my video. I will post some pictures on there of some shots of the drone of how it looks from outside, how it looks from up top, from up in the air, as high as I got it to. I think it was 17 feet. Got a couple sunset pictures and a couple pictures of the neighborhood here. I will be posting them. Subscribe to my video, or to my channel, I should say, not to the video. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in another video. Thanks.